Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing? Taking a walk, having a talk. You know what I'm talking about? Positive vibes. Remember, for you youngsters, you might not remember this, but this, you know, about 50 years ago, the Beach Boys had a song called Good Vibrations. So, although I think it's been a very big, popular song in commercials and things. But it's, you know, I'm picking up good vibrations. And Brian Wilson, the guy who wrote it, you know, he had a lot of bad vibrations that he dealt with through years of mental health issues, but he wanted good vibrations. And what I mean by that is positive vibes. I've done a lot of videos about being positive, and you know, if it sounds like I'm repeating myself, good, because I think talking is doing, and you can't talk enough about the importance of having positive vibes, positive energy, a positive outlook in your life. Being positive and having those vibes, they will make you healthier, and they'll make you happier. I think they'll make you even more successful. And I'm telling you, the converse is true, the opposite. If you are negative all the time or surround yourself by negative people, you're going to have a horrible life, and you're going to feel like life's not worth living. And between you and me, it's not, if it's negative. Some people say, well, how do you deal with life when there's a lot of negative stuff happening? Well, you got to stay positive. You know, right now we have my mother-in-law living with us since they've had the big fires in Butte County, and it's been ongoing for 2 months. The situation's not ideal. There's a lot of sadness out there. A lot of people are probably behaving negative about those situations. And my wife and I, we've had some challenges, but I'm telling you, overall, mostly, we try to keep those positive vibes, because that's what you got to do. So, a quick video to start the new year off. Keep it positive. Positive vibes, baby. Until next time. Hey, check out Live Life 365 in my YouTube channel. Peace.
Live life 365.